Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Michelle Family Channel. Hari ini kita sedang berada di Melbourne, negara bagian Victoria, Australia. Kita akan menuju ke arah barat, yaitu ke kota Ballarat. Nah, alhamdulillah kita sudah sampai di kota Ballarat. Jadi Ballarat ini adalah sebuah kota bersejarah yang terletak di negara bagian Victoria, Australia, yaitu sekitar 110 km barat laut dari Melbourne City atau dari kota Melbourne ya. Kota ini terkenal karena peran pentingnya dalam sejarah demam emas atau Gold Rush di Australia pada pertengahan abad ke-19. Ballarat memiliki suasana yang tenang dan arsitektur bersejarah yang masih terawat baik dengan banyak bangunan bergaya Victoria. Iklim di kota ini tergolong sejuk dengan musim dingin yang bisa sangat dingin menurut standar Australia, bahkan kadang-kadang juga terjadi turun salju di sini. Demam emas atau Gold Rush. Pada tahun 1851, penemuan emas di daerah Ballarat menarik ribuan pencari emas dari seluruh dunia. Ini menyebabkan ledakan populasi dan perkembangan pesat kota.
So we can use the ticket for your, if you want to take picture by like dress.
You need to buy an extra ticket.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, not this way.
Okay.
You need to make an appointment with the photographer. So
Okay.
they're third up on your left, up on your right hand side in the main street. So if you want to do that, you need to make an appointment first.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Saat ini kita sudah masuk ke Sovereign Hill, yaitu sebuah museum terbuka yang merekonstruksi kehidupan selama masa demam emas. Pengunjung bisa melihat pertunjukan langsung, menyaksikan proses penambangan emas, dan bahkan mencoba mendulang emas sendiri.
Hello. This woman has been selling grog.
Doing what?
Sly grog. Alcohol. Illegal alcohol.
Well, it's not my fault. My husband died on the ground. You know that.
She's under arrest. It's a £50 fine. So if you've got £50, you can rescue her. Otherwise, she has to sit here. Otherwise, she has to sit here until the magistrate.
Wow.
No, this is what.
What are you doing? I'm in jail.
It's my tent.
Yeah, no.
It's not a jail. I feel quite comfortable. I sleep in the big cot. Looks like you might be from Indonesia.
Yes, right.
Welcome. How are you all?
How are you?
Time of police. That's where the gold mine tours are. So if you go to a fully guided tour, there's lots of fully guided tours. But this over here is a free one. Like a regional one. So I would just do a little bit of this area and then go up, hit up Main Street. That's Main Street where the shops are.
Okay, so the better is from here first and then go there.
Yep. And follow your map.
Yes, I know.
So where there.
Jangan kono pengen lihat
Emas with the cosplay of gold, the native police become Ballarat first law enforcement.
Museum ini tidak sekedar memamerkan benda-benda bersejarah, tapi juga menghidupkan kembali suasana dan pengalaman tahun 1850-an di Ballarat, yaitu ketika ribuan orang dari seluruh dunia datang untuk mencari kekayaan dari emas. Pada tahun 1854, para penambang emas melakukan pemberontakan terhadap pemerintah kolonial Inggris yang dianggap tidak adil dalam menerapkan pajak tambang. Peristiwa ini disebut dengan Eureka Rebellion dan sering dianggap menjadi cikal bakal demokrasi di Australia.
Good morning. Did you make salad?
Bajunya lucu-lucu nih ya.
Oh, that's butcher.
Baca.
There's meat. Digging, daging. Daging. Oh, ini fake kan, Bang?
What do you want to buy?
Oh, that one, the big one.
I want lamb chop. I want lamb chop.
Okay, lamb chop.
Jual orang Madura.
Lamb chop.
Okay.
Gak bisa diambil ya. Kirain bisa.
Cuman kaya.
What's that, Robo? Go inside.
Ini kan emas yang ini ya.
Boy. Go.
Salah satu pengalaman yang paling menyenangkan di sini adalah ketika kita diberi panci logam atau gold pen dan diajari teknik mendulang emas di sungai kecil buatan ini. Emas yang ditemukan biasanya serpihan kecil boleh dibawa pulang. Ini sangat disukai anak-anak dan pengunjung internasional karena sensasinya seperti menjadi penambang emas sungguhan.
Banget. Apaan sih tuh?
The Sea of Society says we must not offend the Europeans. To blend in, don't wear Chinese clothing or go about barefooted or bareheaded. Be sparing with water. The Europeans think we are wasteful. Look after your friends if they are sick or injured. If you have any quarrels, come to the Sea of Society first. We solve our problems ourselves. If there's anything you need,
Di museum ini setiap hari ada berbagai pertunjukan yang membuat pengunjung merasa seolah-olah berada di zaman itu. Ada pawai tentara Inggris lengkap dengan seragam merah. Aktor berpakaian kolonial berjalan di jalan-jalan berperan sebagai penduduk kota. Ada guru, penambang, polisi, atau bahkan penjaga toko.
Oh iya babu ya. Look.
Misal.
When you did this, that's how they survived.
Very basic on how a steam engine works, if you don't already know. There's a boiler over in the corner. Big that thing over there. Fire goes in the bottom, there's doors up, water goes in the top. The fire heats up the water, creates steam and heat and pressure, of course, and that gets released through this big long pipe that comes into the steam engine here. The steam enters the engine through the steam chest, which is this rectangular sort of section on the back of the big cylinder, and goes behind a piston. That pressure pushes that piston forward, triggers a mechanism in the middle to let the steam go behind the other direction, and pushes the piston back the other way. We start shoveling everything we found underground into the puddler, which is that big circular one in the corner over there. Now if you see those big triangle mechanisms that are attached, those are called harrows. And those are used to break up all the clay and the dirt and extract the gold from the inside.
That's hot.
Lumayan.
Kita baru keluar guys
Kita sana yuk.
dari terowongan. Astagfirullahaladzim. Kita habis nambang apa? Nambang emas. Kita kaya. Dibukain. Ibu. Kita keluar ke situ tadi. Masuk ke situ. Terus di dalam nggak boleh pakai kamera. Sekarang udah keluar lagi. Tapi dingin di dalam. Ada AC-nya.
Jadi kita baru saja menyaksikan proses penambangan emas. Jadi kita melihat bagaimana cara emas dipisahkan dari batu menggunakan alat berat seperti alat penghancur batu. Jadi tur tambang bawah tanah itu memperlihatkan kondisi kerja zaman dulu dengan narasi tentang tantangan, bahaya, dan kehidupan para penambang di bawah tanah.
Capek, Bu.
Ayo, habiskan sekali ya.
Cool. Kita ada di toko emas. Kita mau belanja emas dulu ya, barang 1 kilo. Barang 1 kilo atau 2 kilo. Kita lagi di toko emas ya. Ini
reindeer. This handmade candy.
Candy.
Anisha, go.
Yeah, stand on the first table for me first. Just here.
Look there, look there.
Come here.
Come.
Stand here. Yeah, just stand here. Okay. I'll show you guys how to make the rainbow candle today. Just like this. Yeah. If you want to make the rainbow well, you have to follow the instructions. Otherwise, if you make mistake, probably candle become this color. Oh, it's not very nice color, isn't it? Okay. When you hold the candle, you need to hold the top of the candle like this.
There.
Yeah, good job. Don't hold the string. If you hold the string, you probably lost your candle in the hot wax. Yeah.
Okay, hold it.
We have 3 colors here, the yellow, pink, and blue. But they are all in hot wax. Just remember, only dipping your candle. Don't put your finger there. Okay? And when you start dipping, always choose your favorite color first. I go with blue as my favorite color today. I go big dip. Every time after dip, put in the cool water. Long cool water on each side. Then you can hold it. It's just a little bit warm, not burn your finger. Then you turn this side down, hold on this top, go second finger. I go pink. That's my second finger. Big dip as well. Not much pink. So you always pink. Pink colors be special. We call the magic pink. Yeah. So we got the purple in the middle. When the second color covers the first color, we got the mixed color in the middle. Yeah. Probably first dip on here. Yeah. Bigger, bigger.
Stop there.
Bigger? Yeah. Yeah. Forward.
Yes.
Yeah, just
Yes.
push,
Push. More.
Just
Good girl.
go down, more down. Little bit more. Yeah. Okay.
Put it there. Oh no, there's no water there. Oh yeah,
Cold water.
go to
Dek, angkat dek. Okay.
this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ya, dek, dah.
The last
More. Yes.
Is that
in cold water.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
Remember, in cold water.
Put it there.
Oh.
Wonderful. You happy with that?
Thank you.
All right. Good job. Thank you. All right. So nice to meet you. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
See ya. Thank you.
Let's take a photo with this.
What is that?
Candle. Blue and pink and orange.
Orange, pink, blue, and green.
Okay. Nice job.
Yeah. Nah, nih Goldman Tour
Nomor 1 itu loh. Hei,
di kampung
kamu sana enggak?
zaman dulu.
Ya udah sana tuh loh. Ya udah.
Misal.
So, museum ini bukan hanya tentang hiburan, tapi juga sarana edukasi sejarah tentang migrasi, ketidakadilan sosial, dan perkembangan demokrasi di Australia. Tempat untuk memahami pengaruh globalisasi awal, karena para penambang datang dari Eropa, Amerika, Tiongkok, dan banyak negara lain, menjadi simbol penting dalam membentuk identitas nasional Australia, terutama melalui peristiwa pemberontakan Eureka. Oke, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.